Welcome back to the city of Learn, Grow and Build. So as we are done with customizing our theme, what we are going to do now is head back to our Shopify dashboard and we are going to go over some of the management settings. And first, let's go ahead and edit the store details. Make sure your profile settings are correct. If not, you can go ahead and click edit and change your information. Then here you can also go ahead and change your billing address if you need to. And then down here we get to the store currency setting. Obviously have a look, this is matching your selling location. If you are selling internationally, I'm going to link a couple of apps down in the description that you can use to convert your store currency based on location. Okay, so now let's head to payment, and here is where we are going to set up the payment options for our customers. However, it does require that your business has a registration number and it's based in one of the supported countries. So if you do have a registration number and you are based in one of these supported countries, you can go ahead and easily submit your business details. Now we are going to click on add payment methods and choose a provider. These are overall pretty good options, so go ahead, choose one of them, create your account, and obviously make sure that the one you choose allows for Visa and MasterCard payments. Once that's ready, let's head to the checkout settings. Here we are going to have a look at what information your customers will need to enter during checkout. So here we have the customer contact method. You can choose between email or phone or just email. We are going to go ahead and choose just email. I think that's definitely a better and easier option to go with here. And then let's have a look at this setting right here. Require the customer to log into their account before checkout. I recommend you leave this unchecked just because that create extra hassle and friction to the checkout process, and requiring accounts is actually one of the main reasons for cart abandonment. So definitely leave this unchecked then. Here in the customer information, you can choose to require the first and last name or just the last name depending on what you are selling. Gathering first names can be useful for your future marketing strategies. For example, email marketing. If you gather first names, you can then create emails on a more first name personalized basis. So let's go with that option. Then we have the company name option. Should you require a company name? If you are a B2C business model, then I definitely recommend leaving this as not required. However, if you are doing B2B or business to business and your customers are other companies, then it might be a good idea to require their company name, address. We are going to leave as optional shipping address, and phone number we will take as required, as most email services will need a phone number for delivery by law. So definitely check this one. Then the order processing we will leave as it is set by default. If you are a drop shipping, you don't need to worry about this part. And then scroll back up and hit save now. Let's go to markets, and here we are going to add our selling regions. So which country we are going to be selling to? If you are only selling nationally, you will need to add your country right here on primary market by default. This should be set to your account location. So if this is correct, you can just leave it as it is. And if you are selling internationally, then we are going to have a look at this section right here called other markets right now. And if you click on see all, you will see which countries have already been added to change this. Let's go to edit, and here we can enter all of our countries. Obviously make sure to exclude any places you will not be able to deliver. And if you are syncing with a drop shipping supplier, have a look in their platform to see if there are any products that are limited to a certain location, then let's go back and set the market status to active.